Now. On air. We're on air.
Alright, here we go. So we have 4 steps when we're graphing linear inequalities. They are easy peasy. We should know how to do them by now. The first step is solve. Oh, Blair, that's an L, not an O. Solve. So that looks like solve.
What's that mean?
Yo.
Size the actual inequality.
Minus a point.
Minus a point.
Oh my god. I joke.
I should have thought about that.
Alright, solve for y. What kind of form are we going to put it into if we solve for y? Slope what? Take a point, take a point. Fantastic. You don't get a point.
I said something. I said something.
You said something?
Yes, I said slow finish.
You didn't. You're such a liar.
I said something.
If you lie, you get a point off.
No.
Yeah, did he lie? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's a lie. That's fine.
Slope, intercept, form. Alright, so we are graphing linear inequalities. So what do you think step 2 is going to be?
Graphing.
Graphing! Take a point. That puts you at 0.
We have one.
You at 0. You had minus 1. That moves you up to 0 because you didn't already have 1. You didn't. You're such a liar.
He's lying.
You're lying. Do you really want to go back?
If he's lying. No, he's not. He's just thinking like that.
He's just thinking like that. Alright, so step 2 is graph using M and B. Now, do you guys remember when we were working with inequalities, we did it on the number line, and we said open or closed circle, correct? When did we use an open circle?
When it
was
not equal to. Take a point. When did we use a closed circle?
When it was equal to.
When it was equal to. Everybody gets a point.
Oh yeah, boy, we got 2.
You have 1.
you barely got 1.
I'm going to make a note on our points to remember that he's lying and he doesn't have as many points.
Alright, so when you're graphing, you still use the same concepts as open or closed circle, but you use solid or we're in math. Solid or dashed line. So when would you use a solid line?
When it was not equal to, and then you use the dash line.
When it's equal to. Take a point, Cheney. When do you use a dash line?
When it's not equal to.
When it's not equal to. Take a point, Manny.
Oh, I said it too.
No, you're just saying stuff. Alright, and then remember how we shaded whether it was greater than or less than? You still do the same thing. So step 4 is shade. You're not an umbrella or an awning or a cloud. Alright, so the stars, what was important when we solved inequalities? What did we have to look out for? Because what happened when we divided or multiplied by a negative?
It changes into it.
It changes the sign. If you said it, take a point.
Wait,
Watch out for negatives.
Can we say the point?
Yes.
That's something AJ always says.
Alright, so solid line is when it's equal to. So that's greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or good old-fashioned equal to. That's when you use a solid line. What sign is this? What's this? Less than or equal to. Alright, dashed line would be when it's greater than or less than.
No equal or something?
Not on dash line. Because the dash line means that it's not equal to, so that's why you don't shade those in.
Okay.
Alright, so when do you think you would shade above a line?
When is it this? No. When is it negative? No. When this. When this.
When it is continuous?
What are our lines? What are our symbols, guys?
When is greater? When is low?
Oh, that I thought I was thinking.
I don't know.
If you shade above, is that more than or less than?
That's more than.
So is that greater than or less than? Okay.
That's a point.
So, no, we struggled through that one. Did you say it? I know that you wouldn't lie to me. Saxon would, so you have a point. Alright, so it's greater than or equal to. So when would you shade below? Take a point.
Yeah, we have 5 already.
How do you have?
Because Cheney told Saxon to stop talking, and now Cheney and Caleb are on it over there.
I thought you said it was for that Thursday. I thought you said it was for that only day.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Alright, so this is our first example. We're going to solve this bad boy for y. We're going to graph it, we're going to solid or dash line it, and then we're going to shade it. Are you guys ready? Now, we need to get y by itself. So who, without screaming at me and raising their hand, can tell me what to do first?
On both sides.
Oh, that's
Not screaming at me. Hand up. Subtract 2x from both sides. I said not to scream at me. Yes, darling.
Wait, you have a negative.
You do, and what do we have to watch out for? Fantastic. So wait, okay, wait. First we got to do what?
Break it down.
We-
You gotta break it down some more.
We gotta divide it.
Divide by -3. Take a point over there. No, you were yelling flip the sign at me.
But then I said break it down some more.
That's not anything.
Yes, it is.
That's
You're
not
breaking the problem
anything.
down.
Alright, so now, what do we have to do to this inequality sign?
We gotta flip it.
Flip it. Awesome. Alright, now, do we divide everything over here by -3 or just some of the things?
Everything.
Everything. Alright, what's -2 divided by -3?
2/3. Positive.
Positive 2/3. If you said positive 2/3, you get a point.
Let's go. That's plus 6.
I can put it.
Alright, what's 12 divided by -3? Alright, so it would be -4. Awesome. Alright, so now, let's graph. So that's step 1. Step 1 is solve for y. We did that. We did it beautifully. We're awesome. We rock. Good job. I need you to breathe over there.
I know your shit there.
Alright, so what do we need to do first when graphing this?
Go to -4 because you have to put your y-intercept.
Good. Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think that's a point.
Up to right 3. Up to right 1, 2, 3. Up to right 1, 2, 3. Up to right 1, 2, 3. Now, on these, you have to go all the way across the graph. All the way across the graph. Not just part of the way. So now we go back down here. And we're going to go down 2, left 1, 2, 3. Down 2, left 1, 2, 3. Down 2, left 1, 2, 3. All the way across. Don't do what I just did. Don't do it. If you did it, I'm going to show you how to fix it. But don't do what I just did. Okay, because step 3 says solid or dashed line. What kind of line are we supposed to have for this? A dashed. So I made a solid. Do not do that. So y'all make a dashed line. If you have a pencil, erase it. I don't have a pencil.
I'm going to mark it too.
All the way across.
Yes, all the way across with a dashed line. So I'm going to do it in a different color. Hannah, don't watch this video in front of your sister so that she doesn't think we're completely psycho. Does that have to do with math?
He's orange and Obama was black.
Hey, stop.
That was good. Oh, he was telling us a joke.
Alright, so now, our step 4 was shade. Are we going to shade above or below? Now, the way you figure it out is you look at this guy. It's greater than, so you shade above. Now, you shade everywhere above. Where am I?
Like everywhere, all over the graph.
No, wait. I need my colored pencils.
Why didn't we do this before?
Can I get a point because I said it's shaded above?
Aren't they right there?
This is why I keep you around.
Thank you.
Take a point for finding them.
Wow, if I was right there, I could have seen it.
Wow.
Okay, so now, you have to shade above the line. So you go to the line, because it's greater than, and you shade above.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Why didn't we do this before?
Because we didn't have inequalities. We just graphed equations.
What's the difference between the inequalities?
We are going to talk about that.
Is it greater than?
That's a great question. So, greater than means that all of these points up here satisfy this inequality. When we did equations, we could only have points on the line. So when we did equations, we could only take this point and plug it in and get the answer. Correct? Now with inequalities, you can take anything up here and plug it in.
Also, everything.
Yes. Okay, so we're going to prove that. I want y'all to just watch. We're going to prove it. So I'm going to find a point. Patrick, you got to stop that, son. You got to stop the whistling. Mama going to go crazy. Alright, so we're going to go right 3, up 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to prove that 3, 4 is a solution. Now I want everybody to just watch.
Wait, what?
Okay, well,
Why
what?
are you petting up?
I'm explaining it to you.
Yeah, Carly.
Okay, so we're going to prove that one of these solutions up here satisfy this. So I just randomly picked 3, 4 because that's above the line. Okay, so my x is 3, my y is 4. Now my inequality says y is greater than 2/3 x minus 4. Okay, what's my y value? 4. And then what's my x value?
3.
Okay, so now 3 goes into 3 how many times? 1 times 2 is? Alright, what's 2 minus 4? Is 4 greater than negative 2? Boom, that's true. So that's what that point is. So you can pick any point up there, and it's going to satisfy that inequality. Now, if we picked a point down here, okay, so it would not. So say I picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. 6, negative 3. It's not going to satisfy. What is my y value?
3.
Negative 3.
That should be
All right?
You can do this to like check your work.
Yes.
Make sure it's right.
Exactly. All right, now how many times does 3 go into 6?
2.
All right, what's 2 times 2?
4.
Okay.
Negative 3.
And what's 4 minus 4?
0.
Is negative 3 greater than 0? No. So that's why that point doesn't work. And that's how you prove it. Isn't it great? I love it so much. All right, so your homework.
I like that.
Homework. So you are going to take these same rules and you're going to apply it to your homework. I'm giving you 4 problems tonight.
4 problems. If I can find my notebook.
Ain't that a TV show?
If I can find my notebook.
No, the no.
What if I found it? It's right.
No, my book.
Oh, the pink one? Right?
It's right there.
That's a point.
It is.
Oh. What? No, we ain't running the switch, but that's not good.
Alright, so you're going to write your problems down on the back. This is your homework. And you have a little exit slip / checkpoint to do today. It's easy. I'm going to give if somebody, well, no, y'all need to be writing. Alright, so our first one, we're going to go easy. Our second one, we're going to step it up a notch. Our third one,
I said we could do it at the same notch as me.
we're going to go cray-cray.
Wait, what if we went like easy, kind of easy, not really easy, and then hard, and then cray cray? I
That's
think,
5 problems then.
yeah, 4. I only did 4.
Oh, five.
Easy, kind of easy, not easy, hard. That's 4. 1, 2,
Then you
3,
said
4.
cray cray.
Or not hard, or cray cray.
That's a 6. I'm gonna make that a 6. And then, and then, and then, and then, and then.
And then. Isn't that what we're saying?
It was bull crap. It was,
We started off horrible. Did you go to the unit game?
huh?
Y'all start off
You started off trash.
Yeah, I was on comp, but
Well,
I had to get on.